Hey people, it's Rickaquaog and welcome to another video. So today's video we're going to unbox and give an initial review of the Nintendo Switch. This is the OLED. You know what? I actually have a friend in the house today. He's Mr. Africa. I'm sure you guys already know him, right? I'm actually going to let him do the unboxing. I feel like I've done a lot of unboxing, so let's see how he's going to react to this whole thing. I think like guys really like games, so let's do this. Let's bring him on.
Hey guys, this is Mr. Africa. Welcome to another unboxing review with Rick. And today I'll be unboxing the Nintendo Switch with you guys. And this is actually my first time doing an unboxing video. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I have the 7-inch OLED screen Nintendo Switch. And this one has the adjustable stand. And also it comes with a dock as well. And as you can see here, it has controllers detachable. So it has a tablet mode, it has a TV mode, and you can actually take it on the go as well. You can detach the controllers and attach the controllers, which is a good thing. I really like this new game. The last time I actually had a Nintendo, a Game Boy, was back in 2006, I think, and it's now 2021, and I'm actually I decided to get this one to see how it goes. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. Fresh box. Okay, so when you open it, the first thing that you're gonna see is the it has like a cover on it. It has the controllers, the detachable controllers, and also the actual game. So we're gonna go first with the accessories by taking them out. So this is the detachable controllers right here. As you can see, I put it on the side and take this one here. And we have the charging cable. This is the charging cable, and I will take this one out so that you can see it. It has a USB-C and it has the United States plug. Sorry, this is not from the UK, from the United States. So yeah, we're gonna put that aside. And we have the HDMI cable that you can connect to the dock, then to your TV. In case if you want to play it in your room, or if you want to play it in the car. Some cars, they do come with an HDMI with a screen, so you can definitely do that. So yeah, we'll put that aside. And also we do have you can actually it comes with this small controller right here. You can actually attach the joystick to it. And I'm gonna show you that in a minute how it works. So I'll put that aside. And finally, we have the dock that comes with it. This is actually the dock that comes with it. I'm going to put that aside. So this is the Nintendo Switch dock. Yeah. And as you can see on the sides, it has two USB ports on the side, as you can see. And at the back of it, it has HDMI port. You can open it. And once you do open it, it has all the ports at the back. So it does have the HDMI out and AC adapter, and it has an internet connection as well. So if you want to connect to online gaming, you can actually do that as well. So we're gonna put that aside. And finally, we are now going to unbox the actual game console, the Nintendo Switch, the 7-inch OLED Nintendo Switch. Okay. The 7-inch OLED Nintendo Switch has an adjustable stand at the back of it. You can actually put it on a table, and you can take your controller and actually use it whilst playing your game. Or you can just close it back up, and you can take your joysticks this is the right and this is the left. You just slide it in. Once you hear the click, it means that it's strong enough. You're not gonna break it. Don't worry about it. So I decided to choose white for this Nintendo Switch because this was the only one left in the store. To be honest with you, like, I was literally driving for like 2 hours with my mom in the car looking for this because it was sold out. It was sold out everywhere, and I was able to get it at Target. I bought two. Actually, each customer, it was limited to one, but for me, I was able to get two because, of course, I had some connections. So yeah. Also, they have different colors. They have the black and the white, and I think they have red as well. The red comes in the regular Nintendo Switch. There's two types of Nintendo Switch. There's the regular one that does not have an OLED, and we have the one that has the OLED. So this is the OLED one that I have. The OLED one has a little bit of a bigger screen than the regular one. So yeah, I just decided to go with the best one, of course. So now we are going to talk about the buttons on the Nintendo Switch. On the top right hand side, we do have the game card. This is where the game cards goes to. So in case if you buy a Mario or maybe racing game, you can insert it here. Or if you want, we have a digital version online. You can just log in with your Nintendo Switch account and can buy it online. And we do have the volume buttons here as well, where you can adjust your volume. And we do have the power button here. And we do have the USB-C charging port here, and also it attaches to the dock. So for example, I'm gonna bring the dock in. So we have the dock here. This is the dock. All right, so once we do have the dock in a good position, we will just grab our Nintendo Switch, and we are just going to attach it. It goes straight down into the dock. Once you hear the click, it means that it's ready to go. Then we can attach the HDMI at the back of the dock. So the HDMI would go here, the HDMI out, and then you're also gonna plug your charger for the dock, the AC adapter. I'm also going to grab the controller for the joysticks to give you an example, a demo of how the controller works. So to attach the joysticks to the controller, first you have to take out the Nintendo Switch from the dock. So we're gonna put the dock aside, and you're going to turn it around. There is a button here. We have a button here, right here. Once you press on that button, you press on it, you move it out. Same thing with the left one, same thing. It comes out, and we're gonna place the Nintendo Switch on the side. Now we have the controller in our hands. So the controller will go in with the right one, first joystick. Once you hear the click, it's ready to go, and the left one as well, and that's it. Now we do have a full controller. So now you're ready to go. If you want to play your Nintendo Switch on your TV, all you gotta do, like I explained, you're gonna grab your dock, then you're gonna get your Nintendo Switch, you're gonna place it in, and once it's placed in, you have your cables and everything attached to it. and that's it. You can just turn on your Nintendo Switch. So now let's go ahead and power the Nintendo Switch to see what's going on with this amazing game. Was finally as you can see, Nintendo. All right, so now we are here with the setup. The first screen is gonna be the languages, as you can see. Yep. Hello guys, so this is my first impression about this gaming console, the OLED Nintendo Switch. I really do like it. I love it. It's like lightweight, and it's easier to take it anywhere that you want to. I can watch videos on it, play video games, YouTube, and other stuff like other websites that you can go to. And also I just like how it handles and how it's very portable in my hands, and also with the controller here makes it very easy. And yeah, I think that's about it. And the battery is actually very good as well. I haven't had the time to play other games like Mario and racing, so when I do get the chance, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna bring my final review on that, and I will let you guys know what I finally think about the gaming and other stuff regarding the Nintendo Switch. And thank you very much for joining us today, and thank you, Rick, for having me today. It was an amazing experience doing an unboxing video. Thank you very much, and I appreciate it. Have a wonderful one, guys, and be safe out there. COVID is still alive. Peace. Yeah, peace.